Breakfast time. Love my eggs. Okay, simple. Fried eggs, toast. Actually, sandwich. Can't forget original Creole seasoning. Alexis of life. Coffee's already made. 2 minutes of frying. Doesn't look bad, right? Nothing fancy. Usually if I have a leftover, I'll put it in there. A piece of meat or a potato or whatnot. Of course, gotta have YouTube on while I'm doing it. Standard practice. See if I can flip it. Holding the camera at the same time. Get it moving around in that butter. Just about ready to go. Leave it over the sink in case you make a mess, of course. And here we go. Beauteous. Toast is about done. Up here, got my plate holder. Yeah, spice cabinet. Plate holder. And turn around. And grab a paper plate. Night vision's kicking on. Not the best camera, but flip it one more time. Ready to rock and roll. Toast is up. Slide it on. Add a little water. Let the pot sit there and soak a bit. And we're ready for breakfast. Piece of cake. 2-minute breakfast.